Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw Italian creator memes Tung Tung sahur. In this drawing, we use one drawing pen and one bold marker and only one color. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, start the video. First, we draw Tung Tung sahur eye. This like here and here in here. Joined it. Okay, then nose also here like this, and inside one round, little round, and that side one round, same like this round. Okay, then center ellipse shape one round and small round, then mouth here one place, here one, and you join here and bottom of the line like this, and the teeth and the tongue. Okay, then eyebrow like this, same here like this. Okay, now we draw the body Tung Tung sahur like this and like this, and join it. Okay, then we draw the Tung Tung sahur hand like this, join it, and another leg hand like this and like this, and here one small round and fingers and hand like this, another finger. Okay, then he holding a one bat. Like this. Now we draw to Tung Tung sahur leg like this, another finger and another finger, join the body, another leg like this, one finger, another finger, like this. Wow, our Tung Tung sahur is ready now. We now more visible of our drawing. Our drawing is ready. Tung Tung sahur is alive now. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me, share your friends and give your thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.